Ever finished a Zoom meeting and your recording is nowhere to be found? Here's how to find them and fix common issues. First, sign into your account at zoom.us. In the left side navigation menu, click Recordings and Transcripts. You will find yourself in the Cloud Recordings tab. Use the date range filter or search bar to locate a specific recorded meeting. Click the recording to view its details, including video clips, audio files, and transcript files if available. Note: if you can't find a recording right away, it may still be processing. Cloud recordings can take up to 24 hours to appear after the meeting ends. If your recording isn't showing up, one of these 5 issues is usually the cause. And if you want more than just a video file, use Tactiq. Tactiq transcribes your meeting real-time, turning every Zoom meeting into a searchable transcript, instant AI summary, and automated workflow without touching a single recording. Install the Tactiq Chrome extension for free and get more out of every meeting you run. Subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.